keep each other company. Oh, maybe we can be each other's company. Oh, company.
The big life. Don't just live life. Live the big life. Big 106.2.
You're tuned into Big 106.2 चल रहा है बिग लाइव एंड आज तो जाने की बिल्कुल भी आप जिद ना कीजिए बिकॉज बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन जो है वो यहाँ पर हम शेयर करने वाले हैं। बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स हमें डेली लाइफ में होती हैं, वो क्यों होती हैं उसका रीज़न होता है कि दैट व्हाट वी ईट। ये कहना है कोमल का। वेल, कोमल इज अ मदर ऑफ टू, बैंकर बाय प्रोफेशन एंड फाउंडर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन रियल, सोशली कॉन्शियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। हम यही बातें करने वाले हैं कि किस तरह से आप अपनी लाइफस्टाइल में चेंज ला करके इन चीज़ों को जो है ना अवॉइड कर सकते हो। ये जितनी प्रॉब्लम्स आपको डेली लाइफ में आती हैं वो अवॉइड कर सकते हैं और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें। सो लेट्स टॉक विद कोमल। कोमल, वेलकम टू बिग 106.2।
Thank you very much. Pleasure to be here today.
थैंक यू सो मच। ये होलिस्टिक लिविंग के बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं। हम बात करने वाले हैं रेवोल्यूशन रियल के बारे में। सोशली कॉन्शियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, व्हाई डू यू कॉल इट सोशली कॉन्शियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन?
Great, I'm happy to answer that. So essentially, when I thought about starting my own business about 5 years ago, and after going through several allergies and issues, and also going through, with my family members going through diseases, I was wondering what is it that I can do. What is a business that I can start? And I just realized that we have to go back to our roots. So holistic living in a very simple term means living how our ancestors used to live. And I'm not just talking about going 30-40 years back, probably going 100 years back. The techniques that were being used, the cooking in clay pots and soapstone pots, using non-genetically modified variety of seeds, living plastic free, and most importantly, not worrying about our own convenience all the time. So this is exactly what holistic living is about. And Revolution Real is intended to bring all these aspects together. It's intended to bring about, your desi ghar ka khana, the millets, the bajra, the sattu, जो हम भूल चुके हैं.
Right, sattu.
Yeah,
Used to be very very common. सत्तू का ड्रिंक पिया करते थे हम लोग, लेकिन यहाँ पर आकर के वो कहीं खो सा गया।
क्योंकि अभी हमें प्रोटीन शेक पीना होता है ना, अभी हमें पे प्रोटीन पीना होता है। So sattu basically contains almost 17 grams of protein per 160 gram of serving, which is amazing. It's almost 30%.
Yeah.
And it's so easy to incorporate protein, especially in summers. Sattu is something that we used to drink back home in summers.
Yeah, yeah.
So you get cooling, you get protein. How easy from our own pantry. That's exactly what I want to do. It's about the Hippocrates way of living. Let food be thy medicine. That's what holistic
But
living
why
is
do we
about.
need it now, Komal? I want to ask you that. ये तो सालों से चला आ रहा है, right? Why do we need it now suddenly?
Hasn't COVID taught us enough? Haven't we seen, why do we have so many allergies today? Why do we have so many immunity issues today? It's because of the lifestyle we are following. So there are many aspects to it. It's not just food, of course. There is also stress. There is also the fact that we are living in closed houses. We do not have adequate exposure to sunlight. But food is something we can control, right?
Right.
And that's what we want to address. So years ago, when we used to eat minimally processed foods most of the time, and then sometimes we even used to go to a restaurant back with our parents, right? But it was perhaps on a weekend or maybe once
Special
in a
occasion.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
But now we are looking for convenience food all the time, and this aspect of looking for convenience all the time is what has caused the problems. The incessant plastic pollution that we're looking at. The processing of food, because the moment you're looking for convenience, you start processing the food. It's like other day I picked up a packet from the supermarket. It was a simple flour, but it had additives. What is the need to add additives to a flour bag? So that is the level of convenience we're looking for. We want to increase shelf lives. So these are all aspects that I think we could probably work on. I'm sure there are reasons why it has been done, very valid reasons. But in our own homes and within our own simple way of living, we can make a lot of small changes that can go a long way.
परफेक्ट. सो आज हम बात कर रहे हैं रेवोल्यूशन रियल के बारे में एंड इनफैक्ट होलिस्टिक लिविंग के बारे में, किस तरह से छोटे छोटे लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस करके जो है ना हम अपनी भी हेल्प कर सकते हैं एंड ऑल्सो वी कैन हेल्प एनवायरनमेंट एज वेल. ये कंटिन्यू रहेगी कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑन बिग लाइफ. गौरव आपके साथ. गुड मॉर्निंग.
106.2.
falconrewards.com. में है कोमल. शी इज फाउंडर ऑफ रेवोल्यूशन रियल, a socially conscious organization. बहुत सारी बातें हमने करी है लाइफस्टाइल में किस तरह से चेंजेस करने चाहिए एंड उसी में ये डिस्कशन जो है वो थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ाते हैं. एंड देन टॉप 5 चेंजेस आई वांट टू नो कोमल टुवर्ड्स होलिस्टिक लिविंग. क्या चेंजेस अपनी लाइफस्टाइल में हम कर सकते हैं?
So if I have to advocate the top 5 changes, the first change I would advocate is try and incorporate a variety of whole grains into your daily lives. It is not just necessary to restrict yourself to rice and wheat. You could go for millets, you could go for Rajgira, Amaranth, you could go for buckwheat, kuttu. There's so many things that one can do. So please change your refined oils to cold pressed oils. That is extremely important. You can also use desi ghee, which is good. But personally, I like using cold pressed oils. Third, try and stop using plastic water bottles. It's very easy. It's very easy to install a filter in your homes and start basically using the filter instead of bottles, at least in your home. You can obviously look for convenience overall. The fourth change I would say is incorporating some form of physical exercise every day. It's extremely important, and especially in times like these where we are sitting at home, where we can move. And the last and most important thing for me would be breathe. Accept the whole air around us. It's so, when you are actually sitting at work and you are constantly going through the bombarding, you're just going from one routine to another. Pause and breathe. I think these are the 5 changes that I would personally
which we often forget to breathe. वो बहुत ज़्यादा important है. अच्छा, we were talking about all or none approach. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप जो है completely अब कल से एक दिन उठे और खटाक आपने सब कुछ change कर दिया. It's not possible, right? In your daily life, it's not possible. Then how do we do it?
Absolutely, and this is one question that comes to me so regularly. When somebody is coming onto my website or Insta and asking me, I want to start doing this, and like, मेरे घर पे ये नहीं खाते, वो नहीं खाते, तो is it going to benefit me? And I'm like, every small change you make is going to benefit. It's like that starfish story, right? Like when you're actually a man was going on a beach and he had starfish lit all over, and he was throwing one back in the sea. And a man came and told him that, you can't throw so many fishes back. And he said, but I made a difference to that one. That's exactly like this, every small change you make in your own lives would go a long way. If you start moving from refined oils to cold pressed oils, you would see such a dramatic reduction in inflammation. If you start breathing, you would see a dramatic reduction in sinus and other migraine issues. If you start drinking water more consciously, again, you would see a difference. So think about those small changes that one can incorporate in your daily routine without inconveniencing yourself, because I know convenience is everything for all of us.
Right. So we're talking about Revolution Real, we're talking about holistic living, and the 5 changes we spoke about towards holistic living, and और भी ये important information जो है वो continue रहेगी on Big Life. Stay tuned for that.
Big 106.2. Size matters.
ऊपर fast खोलो है.
It was good actually. I thought we have 5 changes.
I'm going to listen in this hour every day. It's beautiful.
This is the big life. Don't just live life. Live the big life.
मन मर्जी से what a wonderful song लेके आपके लिए राइट शेयर ऑन बिग 106.2 चल रहा है बिग लाइफ एंड हम बात कर रहे हैं सस्टेनेबल और हेल्दियर फ्यूचर की. वेल, रिवोल्यूशन रियल, द फाउंडर ऑफ रिवोल्यूशन रियल, कोमल इज विद मी. हम लोगों ने सोशली कॉन्शियस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एफर्ट्स के बारे में ऑलरेडी बात कर ली है. वेल, किस तरह से जो है दे आर हेल्पिंग कम्युनिटी, इसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. फ्री वर्कशॉप जो कि आपको हेल्प कर सकती हैं किस चीज़ों में, ये सब. कोमल, वंस अगेन कंटिन्यू रखते हैं अपनी कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड हम लोगों ने बात की सस्टेनेबल और हेल्दियर फ्यूचर की. And community support के बारे में, what do you have to say that? How are you helping, supporting community like the Taru Naturals, right?
Yeah, absolutely. So when we started again, we wanted to, when we sat down trying to understand what kind of suppliers we want to work with, one of the most important aspect in my mind was community. And when I worked with Taru Naturals, what I realized is that Taru Naturals is a community, grassroots community of 10,000 tribal and small scale farmers. And they were actually, working to train farmers and securing their livelihood. So when we brought them on board, the idea was to make sure that together we support a community supported agriculture concept where we make sure that their produce is guaranteed and their livelihoods are secured. That's a very key messaging. The entire proceeds of buying Taru Natural products goes directly to the farmer communities, and it is not just about sourcing, it's also training them and ensuring that they live better lives. On the other hand, we have our own women community in UAE, There's so many women who are who are struggling to incorporate healthy and holistic living into their lives. So how they can do this? And that we are doing through a concept called RR Community, where we are going to, on a daily basis, provide them with information on how they can incorporate superfoods, millets, and other indigenous foods into their daily lives, how they can adopt zero waste living. And this will be done not only through literature provided to them on a daily basis, but also through weekly events and workshops that will be offered to them absolutely free of cost. If they want to become a part of the community, all they have to do is go onto Instagram, connect with us on Revolution Real UAE, and we will make them a part of this community where everybody benefits.
So everyday related, daily needs से related जो भी चीज़ें हैं, related to that, free workshops जो है वो करा रहे हैं, and then you can get in touch with them. Revolution Real UAE on Instagram. Thank you so much, Komal, for coming here and sharing these insights.
Thank you very much.
And helping us lead this sustainable and healthier lifestyle. Thank you so much for that. तो यहाँ पर आगे कंटिन्यू रहेगा म्यूजिक आपके लिए. This is Big Life, 1 hour back-to-back music, and after that आपके लिए Big Chill on Big 106.2. For that, stay tuned.
This is the big life. Live the big life.
Turning on your feet.